So hey guys, Xiaomi launched the Redmi Note 10 series 2 days back on March 4th. They offered AMOLED displays and stereo speakers as standard. Today we'll be talking about them, so let's get started. Xiaomi launched 3 smartphones for this year's Note lineup: the Redmi Note 10, Note 10 Pro and the Note 10 Pro Max. Let's deal with each smartphone separately. You can use the timestamps given to navigate to the specific phone you want. So first up is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. This smartphone was the cheapest smartphone launched during the event. Xiaomi have also confirmed that this smartphone will be coming out with Android 11 out of the box with MIUI 12 on top of it. The VP of Xiaomi told that this smartphone will be one of the first smartphones to be upgraded to the all-new MIUI 12.5. Do let me know if you want me to make a video on the new MIUI 12.5. Okay, so coming back to the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. So finally, Xiaomi have shifted from the LCD displays to the AMOLED displays on the Redmi Note 10 series. This smartphone has a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 1100 nits. It is powered by the all-new Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 chipset along with Adreno 612 GPU. The Qualcomm 678 is a 675 with subtle changes. It has a clock speed of 2.2 GHz over the 2 GHz on the 675. The only con over here is the lack of 5G. This smartphone can support up to 6 gigs of memory and up to 128 gigs of UFS 2.2 fast storage. Xiaomi continue to be one of the very few smartphone brands to offer an IR blaster along with their smartphone. With the help of an IR blaster, you can control various devices in your house directly from your smartphone without the need of Wi-Fi. Now coming to the cameras, this smartphone has a quad camera setup which includes a 48 megapixel primary shooter, an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and two 2 megapixel shooters for the telephoto and depth sensor. It has a 13 megapixel selfie camera. Now coming to the battery, this smartphone has a 5000 mAh battery which can be charged using a humongous 33 watt fast charger included in the box. Now coming to the pricing, this smartphone starts at Rs 12,000 for the 4GB 64GB variant and Rs 14,000 for the 6GB 128GB variant. Okay, now coming to the Redmi Note 10 Pro. This smartphone too runs on Android 11 out of the box with MIUI 12 on top of it. It is powered by the all-new Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor along with Adreno 618 GPU. It has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz Super AMOLED display which is HDR10 certified and has a peak brightness of 1200 nits. This display is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It has up to 8 gigs of memory. And coming to the storage, this smartphone has up to 128 gigs of UFS 2.2 storage. This smartphone also supports micro SD cards of up to 512 gigs of storage. Coming to the batteries, this smartphone has a 5020 mAh battery which can be charged using a humongous 33 watt fast charger included in the box. It has a quad camera setup which includes a 64 megapixel primary lens, an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, a 5 megapixel super macro lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. It has a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. It also has the much needed IR blaster and a 360 degrees ambient light sensor. This smartphone starts at Rs 16,000 for the base variant. By the way, if you're liking this video, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button to never miss any of our other videos. Now coming to the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. This smartphone too runs on Android 11 out of the box with MIUI 12 on top of it. This again is powered by the powerful 732G processor along with Adreno 618 GPU. All of the stuff are similar to the Redmi Note 10 Pro except the cameras. It beats, at least on paper, all other smartphones in this price range with its 108 megapixel primary lens. All other sensors are similar to the Redmi Note 10 Pro. This smartphone starts at Rs 19,000 for the base variant. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Do let me know what are your thoughts on the Redmi Note 10 series. You can also follow SidTech on Instagram and Twitter. I'll give the links to both those accounts in the description. This is Siddharth and you're watching SidTech and I'll catch you in the next one.